Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 31st, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So I zoomed out quite a bit on the 1 hour time frame on gold just because I wanted to show you the next Fibonacci level is actually up here. This is the weekly, monthly time frame Fibonacci extensions for the wave 3. So my next area of resistance is actually the 3,160. It blew past my last target, which was 3,070, without breaking structure, without giving us an engulf and move to the downside. So there was no reason whatsoever to go short at that level because the market didn't tell us that it was respecting that level and making a move to the downside. So zooming back in, I personally don't think there's any reason whatsoever to look for shorts. We have no break of structure. Every single one of these swing lows is a higher low. There was never once a break of structure. Even if it does start pushing down, our most recent structure is way down here, which tells me even if it does push down, it can almost guarantee that it's not a trend reversal. I can almost guarantee that it's going to continue, at least for now, making higher highs and higher lows. So for me personally, I would recommend nothing but longs. I would not be trying to go long here. I would only be going long on pullbacks. But in my eyes, there's no reason whatsoever to even think about going short when we are in such a strong wave 3 uptrend on literally every single higher time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.